Updating your business profile on Payhawk is essential to ensure that your information is current and accurate. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the Payhawk.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account name in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Edit Business Information. In the Profile settings, look for the option to edit your business information. Click on this option to access fields such as business name, address, contact details, and other relevant information. Step 4. Update required fields. Make the necessary changes to your business profile. Ensure that all required fields are filled out accurately to avoid any issues with your account. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure that all your changes are stored in the system. By following these steps, you can easily keep your business profile on Payhawk up to date. Regular updates help maintain accurate records and improve your overall experience with the platform.